Hello everybody, this is Cameron from Conover Motorsports, and I just want to share with you guys a install I just did. This is a BMW E36 M3, and it used to have this stuff in it. Some of you guys might recognize this. At this point, these are pretty outdated. They got basic computer style connectors and what do you call those, squeeze terminal jobs, little old school mouse connector and stuff like that. So that is coming out, and in its place is a RaceCapture Pro 4. We've got all the plug and play connections here. I have it powered up and connected to CAN 1 and CAN 2 through this port here. This has got a connection on CAN 1 to the Mk4 Pro that's in there. Plug and play job. And then also we have Tire X 4-corner kit and a Shift X3 on the dash. Right there. And so it's just nice. There's plug and play connections. All the analog channels come in through this connection. I got the 8-channel extension going up under the dash here, and then from there is the splitters to go out to the individual channels. Of course, GPS, GNSS here, and then the digital input GPIO connection. And the only thing I have going in here right now is analog RPM connection instead of a CAN RPM. And that's just because it's so easy to get to. I figured, why not incorporate that? So that's what we got. Here's a look at how I got the Tire X going through the wheel well. I got some little grommets there. Half-inch hole passes the connector through just nicely, and it's got I believe that's an 1/8" ID to handle the wire for the Tire X sensor. So he's got 4-corner Tire X. There we go. Connected. Of course, we have low oil pressure. You can see the Tire X alerts. A little bit of connection. I used the heart rate monitor channel. I changed that to brake pressure. We've got a brake pressure sensor installed on this car. That's it. It's a real nice clean installation. I included RoadKeeper right there. That's a dual HD 1080p camera, and you can import the video from this into your RaceCapture app to do overlays. But yeah, that's the whole system. Nice and clean install with the plug and play harness. Really nice. None of these cables are going to pull out or come disconnected or anything like that. It's all in there real tight and nice and clean looking installation. So I just wanted to share that with you. RaceCapture Pro Mk4, Shift X3, got a little fire tablet here. Plug and play into the Mk4 for CAN connection. Tire X, got a brake pressure sensor, as well as oil pressure sensor analog, some other analog channels in there, and all the data from the CAN from Mk4. So that includes all kinds of stuff, including TPS, RPM, and etc. So really cool. Just thought I'd share it. Thanks for checking it out.